Once the wireless video doorbell is connected to the Alarm.com Smart Chime, it can be enrolled on a customer account. To add the doorbell to your account, log into the customer app. Tap Video. Tap the video settings icon. Tap Add Video Device. Connect your mobile device to the same Wi-Fi network as your video device to select it from the list or enter its MAC address. The MAC address can be located on the doorbell, on the box, or the included reference card. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish adding the device. The wireless video doorbell is now ready to be mounted for use.